Have you noticed that everything seems to cost more lately, even if your paycheck has no change? But if I told you that a conflict happening thousands of miles away could quickly make your daily life more expensive without you even realizing it? Today, we are breaking down how the US-Iran conflict could affect your wallet, your bill gas, your grocery budget, your investment, and even your job. This is not about politics. It is not about choosing sides. It is about understanding how global events can impact your personal finances. By the end of this video, you will know what is actually happening, what financial experts are watching, what is fact versus speculation, and most importantly, what smart Americans can do right now to protect their money. So stay with me because one small financial decision today could save you a lot of money tomorrow. Let's start with the big picture. The United States and Iran have had decades of political and military tensions. From time to time, those tensions become more serious through military strikes, threats, original conflicts. Whenever that happens, financial markets around the world pay very close attention. The reason is simple. The Middle East play a major role in global energy production, especially oil. Now, here's something many people don't realize. You don't have to live near a conflict for it to affect your finances. In today's global economy, in event in one region can quickly impact prices across the world. One of the biggest concerns during any conflict involving the Middle East is oil supply. If oil production slow down or shipping route become less secure, global oil prices can increase. Investors worry that fewer supplies reaching international markets could create a shortage. Even the possibility of depressions can cause oil prices to rise because market react to uncertainty as much as actual events. So why should you care about oil prices? Because oil prices affect almost everything you buy. When crude oil become more expensive, gasoline price usually rise as well. That means filling up your car costs more. Families that drive every day for work, school, or errand immediately start feeling the pressure. But the story does not stop at the gas stations. Trucks deliver groceries, ship transport products, aeroplanes carry cargo, delivery companies move over millions of packages every day. All of those businesses rely heavily on fuel. When fuel become more expensive, transportation costs increase. Business often pass those extra costs on the customers through high prices. That's why you may notice groceries becoming more expensive. Household products, electronics, clothing, restaurant meals, and even online shopping deliveries can all cost more when transportations become more expensive. This is one of the why inflation separates throughout the economy. Inflation simply means prices rise while your money buy less than it did before. If your salary stay the same but your monthly expenses continue increasing, your purchasing power fails. In other words, every dollar work a little less for you. For the average American families, that creates difficult choices. Maybe you postpone a vacation. Maybe you eat out less often. Maybe you daily buying a new car or replacing household appliances. Many families being cutting back on a non-station essential spending just to keep up with the high cost of necessities. Now let's talk about another area that reacts quickly during periods of uncertainty, the stock market. Financial market don't like uncertainty. When your investors become nervous about a geopolitical event, many choose to reduce risk. Instead of investing in stock, some move money into assets that are traditionally viewed as safer during uncertain time, such as US Treasury securities or gold. This shift can cause stock price to become more volatile. That does not automatically mean the market will crash. Market often recover often periods of uncertainty, but short-term saving become much more common when our investors are unsure about what may happening next. Business also pay attention to uncertainty when companies don't know how energy prices, inflations, or consumers' demand might change. Some daily hiring new employees or postpone expanding their operations. They may wait before opening new locations, purchasing equipment, or making large investment. If uncertainty continue for a long periods, slow business investment can eventually affect your growth and wage increases. That does not mean everyone will lose their job, but hiring may become slows in certain industries. Government spending is another important pieces of the puzzles. Military operations and national security often requires significant government spending. EQ economists point out that the higher government spending combined with the already invented inflation can create additional economic changes depending on how long those conditions continue. However, the overall impact depends on many different factors, including federal rewards policy, energy market, consumer spending, and global economic conditions. This is where it is important to separate fact from productions. Here are the facts. Oil prices often become move during geopolitical conflicts. Higher energy prices can contribute to inflation. Financial market frequently expenses increased volatility during periods of uncertainty. Now, here are the predictions. Now, one can say with certainty how long any conflict will last, whether oil supplies will actually be disrupted, or exactly how the economy will respond month from month. How the economy will respond month from now. Financial expert analyzes probabilities, but no one can predict the future with complete accuracy. So, what does all of that mean for the average American families today? It means paying closer attention to your personal finances is more important than ever. Even if a global event remains uncertain, your financial habits remain under your control. First of all, an emergency fund if you don't already have one. Even saving a small amount each month can provide peace of mind during uncertain times. Second, reduce unnecessary spending where are possible. Ask yourself whether each purchases add real value before spending money. Small saving each week can become meaningful over time. Third, avoid getting high interest credit card debt whenever possible. Rising prices become even harder to manage when expensive interest payment consumes part of your monthly income. Fourth, don't let fear drive your investment decisions. History has shown the emotional investment during periods of market uncertainty often lead to poor long-term results. If you are investing for retirement or other long-term goals, staying disciplined is usually more effective than reacting to every headline. Fifth, look for a simple way to reduce fuel and daily life expensive combine errand into the one trip. Compare groceries prices, use cashback programs where appropriate and review subscriptions you no longer use. Finally, review your monthly budget regularly. A big budget is not about limiting your freedom. It's about giving every dollar a purpose before it disappears. And prepaid, most importantly, stay informed. You'll revise financial news and trust economic sources instead of reacting remorse parenting across social media. Headlines are designed to grab attention. Facts help you make better decisions. The biggest lesson from all of this is simple. Preparation is always more powerful than panic. You cannot control global conflicts. You cannot control oil market. You cannot control inflation by yourself, but you can control how you spend, save, invest, and prepare for uncertainty. The families who pulled good financial habits during changing time often become stronger financially when conditions improve. Every crisis eventually ends. Good money habits continue paying off long often the headline disappears. So here's my question for you. How has inflation affected your family's monthly budget? Have you noticed higher groceries prices, more expensive gas, or a change in your spending habits? Share your experience in the comments because your story might help someone else realizing they are not alone. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like it, share it with someone who cares about their financial future, and subscribe to the Awesome Invest for simple, fact-based finance content that help you make smarter money decisions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.